Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your call history permanently from your Android phone. But first, just check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So before we begin, it's important to note that on most Android phones, your call history is stored on the phone itself, not on the SIM card or SIM card. So if you're still trying to erase your recent calls, you'll be deleting them from your phone. Your mobile carrier may still keep its own record though. So basically, you will need to go and open your call center app, whatever app you are using. And from there, as an example, depending on my phone, it might be a little bit different on your phone. If I click for me at the top left at the three lines, as you can see, I'll find here contacts, settings, and clear call history. So this is for me what I want. I want to clear the call history. So I can just go and tap on it once. And as you can see, they will show me that this will delete all the calls from your history. So if you really want that, just go and click on OK. For me, since I don't want to, I'll click on cancel. But for you, if you do, you should be good to go. And that's all there is to it. So if you find this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.